I hope you are all well. Today I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced video on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube video. In this video, you will find many designs which are very beautiful. People can make and sell such designs um, at home and start their small business. There's also lots of demands. Jewelry. You can make many things with crochets such as shoulder bags, mobile holders, sweaters, socks. You can make anything, you just need to know how to make crochet. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. I have put together lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are a cute little mini stylish designs. Which design do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And which designs will I bring in the next video? You will see many beautiful crochet earring designs in this video. You can also make such as yourself. Most of the designs can make also be simple crochet earrings. Ideas include granny, squares, simple floral motifs, beaded elements, and tassels. You can create a finished look by adding hardware like jump rings and airwire to your crochet piece. And for add structure, you can gently block the finished crochet. Popular simple crochet earring style granny squares. This is a classic and options requiring only basic crochet knowledge. You can make them as various size and colors. Small and simple floral pattern are a lovely choice for earring. Beaded earring. Beads by working them into the crochet stitch or string, then onto the yarn before crochet, adding a bite of a sparkle and texture. Use lightweight yarn. Cotton yarn is a good choice for jewelry and it's smooth, durable, and comfortable to wear. Block your work to help the earring keep its shape. You can diamond and gently stretch it to the desired shapes and paint it to a flat surface to dry. Look for pattern labels and easy beginner or simple to find designs that are quick to make. I have put together a lots of ideas and designs for you in this video. This is a huge demand for knitting and crochet during the winter seasons. If you make it yourself and sell it, you will make a lots of profit.